Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about how to create how to create how to create the title. There in dashboard we have a component. So how to create the icon and the title. We are going to discuss in this section. Okay. So so to create the title for any dashboard. So mostly we are using the real time the text box. So text box. So if you want to increase this width of the text box, go to the properties, and increase the width like 1000 or 1200. Or if you want to increase manually, you can just drag and drop that. And if you want to decrease the size, you can use 100. Okay. In this way, we can adjust the height and uh, width of the Xbox. For example, if you want to drag a little bit down, you can click on the three dotted icon and just click on here and just drag and drop, drag and drop. Okay. Now I want to give the test of this dashboard as a sales dashboard. Sales performance dashboard. Now I want to increase the size of the font. So how to do that? Just highlight the text and increase the size of the font. Size of the font. Okay, size of the font. Now I want to change the style of the this text. So how to do that? How to do that? Here you can change the required. I want to change the text style as a Arial. Arial. Now I want it look like black color. The default color of the text is black. So I want to change the text color as color as white. White. But I couldn't see the text. So I want to give this text box background color is color is black so that the text is highlighted. So how to give the background color of the text box is go to click on here, go to in format pane, we have a general tab. Under general tab, we have a effects tab where you can change the color of the text box. So how to give the black color? Just click on here. So it gives the background color. So this will give the background color. Okay. Now I want to bold the text. I want to give bold to the text. How to do that? Here, and we can give italic type of style also, and we can give underline too. If you don't want underline, click on once again so that it remove the underline icon also. And my requirement is my client task is I want to give the text as a center of the text box. So how to do that? How to do that? We have a alignment tab. It indicates the text has to be extreme left side of the text box. This center indicates it in between the text box. The text has to be in between the text box, and right indicates the text has to be extreme right side of the text box. So I want the text as the client wants to the text has to be in the in between the rectangular box. Okay. Mostly in real time, as per my requirement, it is it has to be extreme left side of the text box. Okay. Okay. Extreme left side of the text box. Okay. Now we can give a hyperlink also. Hyperlink also. How to do that? I have sales performance dashboard. Okay. So I'm just clicking on sales performance. So I have this hyperlink. So when I give hyperlink to this text box, Click on done. So if you want to navigate from here to somewhere else, just click on here. So we'll navigate to the respective web page. Okay, web page. And also superscript subscript. So what I indicates, let's say I need to mention like H2O, H2O. So two has to be subscript of H, but it is a line with the H. So I want I want subscript. Now I will click on to again again. I want to give H2. In the same way, if we want to give x square, then I want to x square has to be top of the x. So I want to, if you want to get the square the top, just click on superscript. So the cursor is highlighted above the x. So just right. So in that way, we can use that. Okay. In my experience in real time, I didn't get this requirement. Okay. Now, now So I want to insert an icon of the dashboard. So in that case, if you want to insert any icon, what you have to do is just click on go to insert tab. Just click on image. It will navigate to respective folders. So okay, I want this icon in in the text box. So I want to decrease the size of this. I want to insert or place this icon into the left side of this title. How to do that? How to do that? How to do that? So there is an indent option. So indent option, okay, it will enable you to move the right side of the text. Okay, now now I want to give icon. Okay, now it is in between the text box. Now I want this text is parallel to this icon, but it is in top of the text box. How to do that? How to do that? So there is a options called padding. So what padding does? So it is the space between the text and space between the text and the borders of all the text box. Okay, borders of all the text box. So I'm just clicking on here. So where I can found that the padding is properties. In properties, I have the padding option where I want to the text box, where I want to this title has to be. I want a little bit down. So I want to increase the space between the the top border of the text box, okay, and between the text. So go to here. I want to increase the size as a 15. Now little bit I want to increase a little bit 20, right? 20. So I want this text to be little bit left side towards left side of the icon. So I want to decrease the intent. Okay, decrease the intent. Or if you want to decrease a little bit down, again go to properties, go to the padding 21. I think it is fine. Okay. So if you want to remove this cursor, increase the height a little bit. Okay. Okay. Now, uh, now I want to this text box on top of the page. So there is a gap between here to here, right? So I want to reduce that. How to do that? How to do that? How to do that? So go to properties where you can find the position option. So you want to the space between the top line and the text box is 53. So if you want to decrease is how much has to be zero. So in this way. So before doing that, if you want to, so what is the problem here? What is the problem here? If you want to decrease. So what happened here actually? So it is separated, right? It is separated from this text box and icon. So what if I want to apply these settings to both icon as well as the text? How to do that? How to do that? So just control click on this icon at the same time control click on this text box so that two are highlighted. So we can understand by brackets are highlighted here. This means these two boxes are highlighted. If you want to combine these together, how to do that? Just right click on your mouse and click on group where you can just group click on group so that these two icon both icon as well the text box are grouped together. Now if you want to move top or bottom wherever it is, so it is combinedly moving together. So how to do that? How to do that? Go to properties. So I want to move these two both icon and text box as in top. So how to do that? So I want to decrease zero so that move together. But what happened? I think it's not combining properly. So let me move here. Just now let's see. So see here, if you give the zero so that there is no gap between the top line of the this visualization as well as uh, the text box. So that so we can create the title for the dashboard very easily if you follow these things. Okay. So in real time, mostly we are getting like the background color and how to have the icons here and how to change the font of the text and color, how to give color to the text and how to increase or decrease the size of the text, hmm, size of the text, and also the padding and position also very useful in the real. I think you enjoy the session. Hope you liked it. So hope you liked it. I want to mention one thing that so I'm going to come up with what are the most used uh, components components in the real time. I'll come up with that here by one. So in the dashboard, I in the top we have icons and the titles and everything. Okay. So I covered this part right now. Now my next class I'm going to cover with I'm coming up with refresh date. So this is very useful in the real time. So I'm coming with refresh date. Okay. So I will cover one by one in this way for further classes. It will help you to create in even real-time projects. I think you enjoyed the session. Mm, if you really like the session, please like it and subscribe it and comment on it. And thank you.